Let's answer the next question. How can you avoid making mistakes in your first love? Honestly, I can't. And that's okay. First love is all about learning. Even if it ends in heartbreak, that experience shapes who I am and what I'll look for later. Mistakes aren't failures, they're lessons, and I'll carry them with me into the future.
Next question is, can love last forever? Yes, but not in the same fiery way as at the start. That first spark eventually changes. Over time, love can become deeper, calmer, and more about trust and connection. Think of it like firewood. The big flames don't last. But if you feed it right, it turns into steady glowing embers that keep you warm for years. Here's a big one. Why do people fall out of love? Falling out of love often means one or both partners stopped putting effort into the relationship. Love isn't just a feeling, it's also daily actions. If couples stop communicating, stop doing little things for each other, or grow in different directions, the bond slowly weakens. For example, if one person changes careers and grows a whole new lifestyle while the other stays the same, it's easy to drift apart. Another question I hear a lot is, why do men sometimes pull away right after being really close? This usually happens because closeness makes some people nervous. The more intense the bond feels, the scarier it is to lose. So instead of leaning in, they back off to protect themselves. Think of it like touching something hot. Even if it's good, the instinct is to pull away. Now, someone asked, why do men like to chase but lose interest once they win? That happens when the focus is on the thrill of pursuit, not the relationship itself. It's kind of like someone who loves hunting but doesn't care about cooking the meal afterward. If a guy only values the chase, then once he gets the person, he doesn't know how to keep building the connection.